Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a zip file to GitHub step by step. So first of all, simply come here on github.com and then sign in into your account. Now over here, you just have to simply open that particular repository where you want to upload the zip file. Now, if you don't have it, then you need to click on this plus icon here on the top right hand corner. Then simply select the option of new repository. Now over here you need to create one by providing its name and fill out these details and click on the option of create a repository. Now once this is done, you just have to simply launch the repository and here you will find the option of add file. Now when you click on it, you will see the option of creating a new file and uploading the files. Now since you want to upload the zip file, you just have to simply click on the option of the upload files, and now you just have to click on the option of choose your file. This way your computer window is going to be opened in front of you, so you need to simply select the zip file from your device. And just keep in mind that the GitHub's web upload has a 25 MB limit per file, so a larger zip file cannot be uploaded via your web browser. So once you have successfully uploaded it, simply click on the option of commit changes here in the bottom, then enter a short message such as add project zip and then choose whether to commit directly to the current branch or you want to create a new branch. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.